Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an Amazon affiliate link to your Instagram story. This is a fantastic way to monetize your content and earn commissions from products you recommend to your followers. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Amazon homepage with all its features ready for you to use. Now click on the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the product you want to promote and press enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to what you're looking for. Take a moment to browse through the options and click on the item you want to share with your audience. Once you've opened the product page, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Get Link. Click on that, and Amazon will generate a shareable URL for this specific product. This is your affiliate link that you'll use to earn commissions when someone makes a purchase through it. Go ahead and copy that URL link. Make sure it's properly copied to your clipboard because you'll need it in just a moment. This link is what connects your promotion to your affiliate account, so it's the most important part of this process. Now, I can't access Instagram Story in desktop right now, so I'll walk you through the next steps that you'll do on your mobile device. Open the Instagram app on your phone and start a new story by tapping the plus icon, then selecting Story from the options that appear. Next, you'll need to select or take a photo or video for your story. This could be a picture of the product, a relevant image, or even just a creative background that matches your aesthetic. Whatever you choose, make sure it represents what you're promoting in an engaging way. After you have your image or video ready, click the sticker icon at the top of the story editor. This icon looks like a square smiley face and opens up all the interactive elements you can add to your story. From the sticker options that appear, select Link. This is the feature that allows you to add clickable links to your stories, making it easy for your followers to access the products you're recommending. Now paste your Amazon affiliate link into the URL field. This is where that copied link comes into play. Simply tap the field and paste the link you copied earlier from Amazon. Once the link is pasted, click Done. Instagram will process the link and create a clickable sticker that your followers can tap to visit the product page. Finally, place the link sticker wherever you want it on your story. You can resize it, move it around, or customize its appearance to fit your story's design. When you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and post the story. And there you have it. You've successfully added an Amazon affiliate link to your Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.